Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did these passion twists. So I saw these on YouTube. A YouTuber named Boho Babe actually created these, and I tried to do my best at installing them the same way, but because I'm a beginner I had to kind of tweak it a bit so that I could do it myself. So if you guys want to see how I did that, stay tuned. The hair that I used was a Lulutress crochet hair in the style Water Wave in 18 inches, and I got the colors 2 and 4. So I started out in the back with 2, and then I gradually went to using 1 piece 4 and 1 piece 2. To prep the hair, you're just gonna take 1 piece of the crochet hair and you're gonna separate it from the bottom to the middle of the strand, and then you're gonna flip it around and do the same on the other end. So you're gonna take 1 piece of hair and then you're gonna kind of overlap it with the other piece. In the middle there, you're just gonna kind of twist that section a bit, add some gel to that so that it will stick to the section of hair you're going to start twisting. And I try to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. So for each section I added some cream, and then I put the gel on the root of my hair and then over the entire length of that piece. And I try to get the crochet hair as close as possible to my roots. I began by braiding it down and then I twisted. And when you twist, you're going to twist for a bit and then pull up, and then continue twisting, pull up, continue twisting, pull up. I would suggest when you're done that section to cut it to the length that you want it to be at, and also to kind of like cut it so that it's not a blunt cut. Try and make it as gradual as possible because that will make it look more natural. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you think you're gonna try these passion twists out or if you think they're cute. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.